Good morning car enthusiasts, welcome to yet another video from Rovion Automotive powered by Autobacs India. Right next to me is a 2016 Ford Endeavour 3.2 completely facelifted to the F150 V1 style.
Got a monster inside of me. You better watch out if your enemies are road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen.
So in all of our past facelift videos, we have explained each and every technical specifications of all the cars and all the upgrades that we have installed to those cars. But in this car, we will be just explaining the basic upgrades that we have done, just like the suspensions or body parts. Like you already know that when we are completing a F150 facelift project, we install a lot of add-ons like the lift kits, suspensions, wheels, tires, footsteps, etc. So in this car also, we have actually completely facelifted the body kit to F150 style. As you can see, the front part and the rear part is also facelifted. On the rear part also, we have upgraded to aftermarket LED smoke taillights, and it is also having a matrix turn signal. And this dicky garnish is also LED, and we have also upgraded this LED part of this bumper. And this rear is also having a quarter panel wide body which comes with the F150 facelift body kit. This car is having a 4-inch lift kit. It is having an aftermarket suspension with nitrogen sub-tanks. It is also having a differential drop kit, leveling kit, rear balance arms and lot of other components that is required for the lift of 4 inches. As this car is having such a huge lift, we have also installed an aftermarket automatic electric footstep to this car. And this vinyl job car is also completely custom done by us. For improved visibility on the roads, we have also added a 7-inch Hella LED lights to this car. And also you can see this is a Fuel Assault 20x10J minus 24 offset wheels, and it is made in USA, and these tires are Matarin. The size of the tires are 33 12.5 R20. So we are very happy and excited to know your opinions about this car and all of our projects. If you have any special opinions or if you have any special requests that we can add to our future projects, please drop a comment on this video and stay tuned to more and more videos. Bye. Signing off, Sachin from Rovion Automotive powered by Autobacs India.
And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.